Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach, and right here you can get a better British accent. Here's my map of England, right? Here it is. There is London. And we can stick my little Cockney label, boom, right in the middle of London. There you go. That is where Cockney is from. Now here's a number of features of the Cockney accent. Let's go through them. We have something called the fronting. Now we can replace the or the in various words with a f sound or a v sound. If you want to replace the th with a f, you could say something like, do you want to know the truth? And if you want to replace the sound with a v sound, you might say, am I really that bothered? Am I? Am I bothered? The other feature is H dropping. So you can drop the H in words. If you're a real Cockney, you'll definitely want to drop your H's in words. You could say, that's horrible, that is. That's horrible. Now the next one, I've already done a video on the whole feature, and it's called the Glottal Stop. It's a very common feature of Cockney, and one of the best words to show you is the word water. Water. If you're a Cockney, you might want to say water. And that does mean, of course, water. So that replaces the glottal stop, which is the sound in your throat, replaces the t sound in water. You can even replace a k sound with a glottal stop, and I'll show you how. Milk bottle, milk bottle, milk bottle. So the other good one is to replace certain sounds like R sounds with a W sound, as in I'm bold, bold, bold. You see, Cockney is a bit more complicated than you thought, I bet. Now we also have long sounds in Cockney. You might want to say you, at, nah, London. Right, not London, London. And I've even heard Cockneys say new, as in new. I would say new. Cockneys could say new. And actually I heard Bob Hoskins in the film The Long Good Friday saying these exact words. So now some other features. So some words, we can have the word numpty. Cockneys love numpty. You numpty. If you want to grab someone's attention, you can say oi, oi. The next point about Cockney, the use of double negatives, right? I guess you all know, grammatically correct, you don't use double negatives, but in Cockney, you are allowed to. Yes, it's part of the feature of the accent. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing, me. Oh, that's another one. You can replace my with me. Let's go to me house. Let's go to me house, shall we? So an example of the Cockney rhyming slang is apples and pears, stairs. And that's it for today on how to speak Cockney. Thank you. Over and out. See you soon and stay connected.